Good day, everyone. I'm Dr. Agboola. I'm here to present the PowerPoint for the 7th International Conference of Contemporary Affairs in Architecture and Urbanism, taking place in Istanbul, Alanya in Istanbul. Okay, the title of my presentation is Evaluating the Efficacy of Biophilic Design in Achieving Sustainable Architectural Objectives. And this is an insert from the expert. I'm presenting on behalf of Professor Orakish Hamad, Dr. Moyem, and Dr. Yiridrim. In terms of introduction, biophilic design is not mere a trend, but a comprehensive approach in designing spaces that prioritize human well-being, and it reduces environmental impact and contributes to the overall sustainability and resilience of the built environment. Its significance lies in the potential to create environment that nurture both individual and the planet. Therefore, biophilic design incorporates the application of biophilia theory to the field of architecture, city planning, and landscape sustainability. Research gap, aim, and objectives. Conducting study that consider the unique socioeconomic, cultural, and environmental factors shaping the architectural practice and built environment is the main target, the research area covered by this study. The aim and objectives. The aim is to document the concept and strategies of biophilic design in reaction to the increasing threats to the environment in recent times, while the objectives of the study focuses on direct impact of effectiveness of biophilic design towards sustainable architecture and the indirect impact of effectiveness of biophilic design towards sustainable architecture. And lastly, we try to test the several hypotheses related to the effect of incorporating biophilic design and principle into the urban planning, architecture, and the built environment. The hypothesis generators are: hypothesis number 1, incorporating biophilic design principle into the urban planning and architecture will improve human health and well-being as well as the environmental sustainability of the building. And also, we try to test hypothesis 2, which states that biophilic design intervention in the built environment will positively influence waste reduction and cycling behavior. And also, hypothesis number 3 tested why the application of biophilic design in urban setting will it mitigate the urban heat island effect. And number 4, will biophilic design principle in architecture positively impact on energy consumption pattern? And lastly, will implementation of the biophilic design strategy in urban spaces contribute to the increased biodiversity? Materials and method. We employ a mixed method study where we make use of both quantitative and qualitative data collection and analysis method. So various factors of biophilic design strategies were extracted from literature and were consequently viewed by the respondents, who are the experts and the professionals, via online survey questionnaire. And also, we also adopted a focus group session where we seek the opinion of the interviewees. The quantitative research analysis method adopted was the relative importance index. That is the analysis we adopted, and also the mean values for appropriating rating as well as previously utilized by previous studies. Result. The demographic results were presented on this page, where we have the gender, the marital status, the age level, academic qualification of the respondent, the professional affiliations, family income, years of experience, and familiarity with the biophilic design. Results. In terms of the direct impact of effectiveness of biophilic design towards sustainable architecture, the most significant factors that has the highest percentage goes to increased connection to nature, which has 55.656%. And this was followed by increased occupants' well-being and also enhanced biodiversity. These are the highest percentage of the analysis of the impact of direct effectiveness of biophilic design towards sustainable architecture. Also, in terms of indirect effect, we have the highest percentage that goes to enhance well-being with the total value of 49.74%. And this is followed by the greater creativity and innovation, and also improved social interaction. These are the percentage of the relative importance index in relation to the indirect benefit. Then, in terms of the tested hypothesis, all our hypotheses were positive, they were supported. Both hypotheses 1 to 4 were supported in this research. Discussion. The indirect impact of the effectiveness of biophilic design towards sustainable architecture. This suggests that the stakeholder value strategies that integrate green space and promote biodiversity in this study. And also the biophilic design, which involves the inclusion of natural element in building and spaces, enhances the human-nature connection, thereby supporting environmental and psychological benefit. Finding also emphasize the need of holistic approach to sustainable building design and management. The indirect impact of effectiveness of biophilic design towards sustainable architectures reveal that the stakeholders can contribute to creating more livable, sustainable, and resilient cities, and also the communities. The comprehensive strategy ensures that human environment are not only economically viable, but also enhancing the quality of the living. Incorporating biophilic design principle also revealed that the result also revealed that integrating biophilic design into urban and architectural design can yield positive outcomes in several key areas, which includes: 1, encouraging and integrating of natural element and connection to nature within the urban spaces, and also to enhance physical and mental health for the resident and the well users. And the biophilic design positively influences environmental sustainability by reducing waste and energy consumption. So this demonstrates the potential for biophilic intervention in supporting sustainable urban development. This will be able to mitigate environmental impact. Conclusion and the contribution of the study. These studies findings contribute significantly to the understanding of biophilic design potential to enhance sustainable architecture. This provides the framework for the architects and developers, as well as the policymakers, to incorporate biophilic design and strategies into their project, and thereby demonstrating several benefits, which include improving air quality, reduction in the stress level, increased productivity, and enhanced aesthetics and reduce energy consumption. To encourage the adoption of biophilic design in Nigerian built environment, the study recommends raising awareness among its benefits, fostering stakeholder collaboration, considering local context, and evaluating the effectiveness of biophilic strategies. These measures can enhance the quality of life for occupants, as well as promoting sustainability and reconnecting people with nature. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.